What's that, Ella? Did you find a baby doll? Did you find his mouth? Oh. That his mouth? What? Give baby kisses? Are you in love? Ew. That's true.
Doo-doo.
Carson.
What's this? Doo-doo.
Carson.
What's this? Doo-doo.
Please.
Please. What's that?
Can Ella have the baby doll back? Can she have the baby doll back?
No.
Why?
I need it.
Well, you don't need it.
Yeah, I need it.
Well, do you want the choo-choo or the baby doll?
The baby doll.
Okay, you go, Ella.
I don't want the baby. Hey.
Okay, we'll give the baby back to Ella so she can see it.
Yeah, see it.
Lay it down.
Here, see it. See it. Oh, don't touch it.
She can touch it.
Okay. No, it's going around.
She likes the baby doll. We gotta